Alright, so to create this kind of exploded view inside SOLIDWORKS drawing, we can do this if you have, let's say, a part, or if you have an assembly. So right now you can see I have an assembly. So to do this, all you have to do is, I'll close this first. So I'll close this, and then let's browse into your assembly file. So I have this potentiometer, and once you have the assembly file, you can see the different parts of this assembly. So this basically has 4 different parts, so it will be easy for now. And to do the exploded view, we can go to assembly tab and then go for exploded view, and then select, left click on one of the components and then drag it, let's say, up. We can then go for done. Let's select the second part, drag this a bit down, have to click done. Third part, done. Let's say the fourth part, and done. So we have created the exploded view in our assembly, and now we can do the exploded drawing view for this one. So all we have to do is go to file, go to make drawing from assembly, and you can select your sheet size from here. Let's click OK for now, and after that you'll be given all these different front, right, and these different views. Now you can see we have the isometric exploded view over here. We can simply drag this to our drawing sheet, or else you can go to model view, double click on your assembly file, and from here we can see we have the option to select uh, exploded or model break state. So let's say I'll insert it first, and you can see this is an exploded view. And if I uncheck this one, okay, let's cancel that. So let's keep this aside. Let's drag our isometric exploded view, and if I uncheck this, you can see the model basically collapses to its assembly. And if I check this, it will show in the exploded view. Alright, from here we can, let's say, go for display style, and then we can use custom sheet style. We'll go for 2:1, and we have inserted our exploded view in SOLIDWORKS drawing. So that's how you can insert your exploded view inside SOLIDWORKS drawing. You can also adjust your uh, text. So I'll just right click, go for edit sheet format, select the text and make it a little bit, let's say 22, or let's go for 20. So I'm done. I can then come back to the drawing sheet and it will be updated. So this is the easiest way to create the exploded drawing view inside SOLIDWORKS drawing.